Welcome back to our channel. Today let's talk about one of the most common yet powerful spices in your kitchen, black pepper. Black pepper, also called the king of spices. It's not just a cooking ingredient, it's packed with health benefits too. Types of black pepper. There are mainly three types: black pepper, dried, unripe berries, strong and spicy; white pepper, ripe berries with skin removed, milder taste; green pepper, unripe and quickly dried or pickled, fresh and sharp. Health benefits: helps with digestion and weight loss, boosts metabolism, rich in antioxidants, may improve brain function. Use of black pepper: perfect for seasoning meats, vegetables and soups. Used in Ayurvedic medicine, added to teas for cold relief. Growing black pepper at home. Black pepper grows best in warm, humid climates. It loves well-draining sandy soil that is rich in organic matter. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Choose a spot with partial shade and good air circulation. Propagation tips. Here is how you can grow it from a stem cutting. Take a healthy stem with at least 3 to 4 knots. Soak it in 3% hydrogen peroxide for 30 minutes. This helps to kill bacteria and promote root health. Then plant it in a pot with moist soil or cocopeat. Maintenance: water regularly but do not overwater. Provide a support or trails as the vein grows. Use compost or organic fertilizer once a month for healthy growth. And that's it. Black pepper is easy to grow, super healthy and makes your food taste amazing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching.